All right, some complex factoring now. So going over and above our factoring review, we are now going to factor something that's a little bit more complex. So our first instinct is to always expand this through. So FOIL this and then run the 12 through, run the 24 through, collect like terms, and go from there. But that's a lot of work. So we're going to skip that and make this a little bit simpler. What I'm going to do is I'm going to replace this x plus 2 with an entirely different variable. So I'm going to say let x plus 2 equal a completely different variable, let's say a. So I'm now going to replace this expression, x plus 2, with an a value. And what I'm left with is 12a squared plus 24a plus 9. So now we want to go ahead and factor this. Well, when I go to factor this, the very first step I want to look for is the greatest common factor, and I can factor out a 3 out of each one of these 3 terms. So that is where I'm going to start. And I'm left with 4a squared plus 8a plus 3. Remember, this 3 is still part of the expression. It's still part of my factor, so it needs to stay. So now I'm going to use my Lecky method and factor this trinomial inside my radical. Inside my brackets. So this would be a 2a, a 3, and a 1. Cross multiply. 2a times 1 is 2a. 3 times 2a is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So it works out. So my factors would then be 3 bracket 2a plus 3 and a 2a plus 1. All right, so now this is fully factored. But now I need to go back and replace my a value with that correct expression. So I'm going to go back, replace a with an x plus 2. That would be in that set of brackets. And then replace a again here with an x plus 2 in this set of brackets. And now you'd want to expand this through and simplify. So I'm left with 3. 2x plus 4 plus 3 inside this one set of brackets. And then I'm left with a 2x plus 4 plus 1 in my other set of brackets. So my final factored form, now I'm going to collect my like terms in each set of brackets, would be 3 bracket 2x plus 7 times a 2x plus 1. And this would be complex factoring.